I have found a pack of dozens of farts submitted by real people, so some of these might actually be genuine farts, and we are going to scroll through these randomly with water in our mouths. We're going to take turns passing it back and forth, and we're going to try not to laugh. That's the whole game. Are you gonna fart first? Okay. I wasn't expecting a robot fart. Listen to that.
That's still going.
Okay, why? Why is it still going?
Okay.
It's halfway done. There's 42 seconds of that.
Okay, we're done with that.
What is... I found this as a compilation, but it's just tons of... I don't even know what this is.
Okay.
I was trying to cough with a mouthful of water. I'm sorry. He aimed that. I know he did. He felt it coming and he looked right at me. I could tell.